Learn Gujarati relative clauses. From I see the man whom you know to
એ ફિલ્મ છે જે અમે જોઈ હતી.
Welcome to the Grammar Detective Show. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through a tiny mystery adventure. Today, you will spot people, books, places, and even a film, while your brain quietly becomes smarter. Welcome, Language Detective. Today's mission is simple. You will learn how Gujarati connects ideas like the man whom you know, or the book that I bought. In English, these are relative clauses. In real life, they are also the reason your stories sound much more impressive at dinner. Instead of saying, man, you know, I see, words have failed me, you will confidently say,
હું તે માણસને જોઉં છું જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
That already sounds like someone who drinks tea intelligently. Your 5 power sentences. Start by hearing the full target sentences once. Don't worry about perfection yet, just let the rhythm settle in. Sentence 1. I see the man whom you know. In Gujarati.
હું તે માણસને જોઉં છું જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
Sentence 2. That is the woman who works here. In Gujarati.
એ અહીં કામ કરતી સ્ત્રી છે.
Sentence 3. That is the book that I bought. In Gujarati.
એ તે પુસ્તક છે જે મેં ખરીદ્યું હતું.
Sentence 4. Here is the place I am looking for. In Gujarati.
આ તે જગ્યા છે જેને હું શોધી રહ્યો છું.
Sentence 5. That is the film that we saw. In Gujarati.
એ ફિલ્મ છે જે અમે જોઈ હતી.
The pattern behind the magic. Now let's make the scary-looking sentences much less scary. You are not memorizing random spaghetti, there is a pattern. Notice the linking words. Gujarati often uses
જે
or forms like
જેને
to mean ideas like who, that, or whom. So in
હું તે માણસને જોઉં છું જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
the part
જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
means whom you know. In
એ તે પુસ્તક છે જે મેં ખરીદ્યું હતું.
the part
જે મેં ખરીદ્યું હતું.
means that I bought. So yes, Gujarati is being elegant. It is basically saying, here is the thing, and here is the extra information you forgot to mention. Scene 1. The suspiciously familiar man. Picture yourself in a crowded market. You spot someone, your friend gasps, and suddenly you become a dramatic hero for no reason. You whisper, I see the man whom you know. In Gujarati.
હું તે માણસને જોઉં છું જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
Break it apart.
હું
Is I.
માણસ
Is man.
જોઉં છું.
Is see. And
જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
is whom you know. Say it again, but with detective eyebrows.
હું તે માણસને જોઉં છું જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
Excellent. If you squint slightly, you are now 14% more mysterious. Scene 2. The woman who actually knows what is going on. Every story needs one competent person. Usually, it is not the hero. Usually, it is the woman at the desk. You point politely and say, that is the woman who works here. In Gujarati.
એ અહીં કામ કરતી સ્ત્રી છે.
Key parts.
એ
Means that.
અહીં
Means here.
કામ કરતી
Means working and.
સ્ત્રી
Means woman. Repeat.
એ અહીં કામ કરતી સ્ત્રી છે.
This is a very useful sentence in shops, offices, schools, and moments of social panic when everyone forgot everybody's name. Scene 3. The book you definitely bought and did not just borrow forever. Now we move to books, where memory becomes selective and ownership becomes suspicious. Conveniently, Gujarati can help. Say, that is the book that I bought. In Gujarati.
એ તે પુસ્તક છે જે મેં ખરીદ્યું હતું.
Important words.
પુસ્તક
Is book.
મેં ખરીદ્યું હતું.
Is I bought. So if a friend points at your shelf and asks which one is yours, You can answer with confidence instead of hugging all the books protectively. Try it once more.
એ તે પુસ્તક છે જે મેં ખરીદ્યું હતું.
Scene 4. The Great Search for the Place. You have walked too far, checked the map upside down, and trusted your inner sense of direction, which was a terrible idea. But now, victory. You finally say, here is the place I am looking for. In Gujarati.
આ તે જગ્યા છે જેને હું શોધી રહ્યો છું.
Notice.
જગ્યા.
For, place, and.
હું શોધી રહ્યો છું.
For, I am looking. This sentence carries relief, triumph, and maybe a little annoyance at the GPS. Say it like you have just found the right building after entering 3 wrong ones.
આ તે જગ્યા છે જેને હું શોધી રહ્યો છું.
Scene 5. The film we saw and pretended to fully understand. Finally, cinema. Sometimes you remember the poster, the music, and the popcorn, but not the plot. That is still learning material. Say, that is the film that we saw. In Gujarati.
એ ફિલ્મ છે જે અમે જોઈ હતી.
Here.
ફિલ્મ.
Is easy because it sounds familiar.
અમે જોઈ હતી.
Means, we saw. Repeat it while pointing at an imaginary poster like a serious film critic who also spilled popcorn.
એ ફિલ્મ છે જે અમે જોઈ હતી.
Mini dialogue madness. Now let's put the sentences into a playful dialogue. Listen like a scene is unfolding around you. Friend, do you see that person near the tea stall? You.
હું તે માણસને જોઉં છું જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
Manager, who can help us here? You.
એ અહીં કામ કરતી સ્ત્રી છે.
Friend, which one did you buy? You.
એ તે પુસ્તક છે જે મેં ખરીદ્યું હતું.
Traveler, are we lost again? You.
આ તે જગ્યા છે જેને હું શોધી રહ્યો છું.
Movie fan, which poster are you talking about? You.
એ ફિલ્મ છે જે અમે જોઈ હતી.
Quick recall challenge. Your turn now. I'll give the English, and you try the Gujarati before I say it. I see the man whom you know.
હું તે માણસને જોઉં છું જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
That is the woman who works here.
એ અહીં કામ કરતી સ્ત્રી છે.
That is the book that I bought.
એ તે પુસ્તક છે જે મેં ખરીદ્યું હતું.
Here is the place I am looking for.
આ તે જગ્યા છે જેને હું શોધી રહ્યો છું.
That is the film that we saw.
એ ફિલ્મ છે જે અમે જોઈ હતી.
Friendly conclusion. You did great today. Yes, even if you said one sentence with the confidence of a confused potato, that still counts as progress. Today you practiced 5 strong Gujarati sentence patterns with relative clauses, from.
હું તે માણસને જોઉં છું જેને તમે ઓળખો છો.
2.
એ ફિલ્મ છે જે અમે જોઈ હતી.
Keep repeating them aloud, act them out, and use them in tiny stories. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing English to Gujarati every day, and soon these longer sentences will feel natural, easy, and maybe even a little fun.